In this tutorial video, I will be showing you how to view and create tickets. A ticket is when a member has a question about the system and contacts us. To access the ticket page, click on the mail icon at the top. To create a ticket, you can click on Create a Ticket. Then select a topic for your ticket. If you don't find what you're looking for, click on Create a Ticket. Then fill in your query. If you click on any of the plans in the ticket page, it will show you frequently asked questions and the solutions, as well as some videos for certain actions. In this case, I clicked on Amazon and I can see the common questions. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can click on Create a New Ticket. This layout is the same for every plan. For example, the eBay plan, the website plan. Let's say I have a question about the website plan, and I want to know how to change products on my homepage. You can view this video to clear your doubt. Let's say I want to know how to process orders from my Shopify store. You can click on this link. There will be a step-by-step instruction that you can follow. If this does not match what you're looking for, you can create a new ticket. Now if you have questions on the products, click here. Then fill in your query. Your ticket will be successfully created, and you can view your tickets by clicking on the mail icon. As you see, both tickets that I made are here. You can view open tickets. By default, this category will be selected. Click on the ticket. You can also reply to the ticket. Here is an example of a ticket that has been replied to. You can view closed tickets by selecting the closed ticket category. Then click on the ticket. And you can reply to these tickets too. Ticket responses take 1 business day. You will get an email when your ticket has been replied to. The mail icon's notification will increase when you get a response. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tutorial videos.